Alright, today we're going to be replacing the water pump on a Whirlpool direct drive washer. Just about all the direct drive models use this same style pump. There'll be a link to it in the description. And pretty much the only thing else we're going to need is a good pair of channel lock pliers, or pretty much any type of pliers. Now the way I get the water out of the machine before I disconnect the pump, I like to use a shop vac. It's a wet shop vac, and I have it set up just to suck all the water out of all the machines. Now a towel is a good idea for a little bit of leftover residual water. If you don't have a shop vac, as we lift it back here, you could place like a big flat tub to catch as much of the water as possible. But here's that pump right here, and it's held on by these two pressure clips. Now I kind of pushed the whole thing down just to get as much space as possible, but all you have to do on these clips is just pull towards you, and then on the one on top you're going to push up and they snap off. Then you're going to turn them sideways and they will pop out for you. Top one's giving me a little bit of trouble here, but I'll show you on the bottom one. You turn it sideways and it pulls free. And to put it back in, you put it in sideways and turn it, and that locks it into place. Now the pump just pops off here and kind of just pull it down. Now these are the two clips we have to get after with those pliers. I'm going to go ahead and put my towel down here just to make sure any leftover water gets caught. Now sometimes just being a little patient with these clips is the way to go, but you want to squeeze them and just move them up. Now using the shop vac works really well. As you can see, no water comes out. There's just a little bit left in the pump there. We will go ahead and grab the new pump. Again, parts in the description if you want to click on that. It is an affiliate link and it does help support the channel. Really appreciate that. But all we're going to do now is we're just going to reverse these steps. And you can see the hose that sits lower goes on the smaller side. They only fit one way. They're different sizes. So you'll see how they go back on. Now we're just going to pinch these clips here. Just slide them back down into place. Now when we go to put the pump back on, we're actually seating it back on the shaft that sticks out of the motor. And so what we have to do is essentially line that shaft up with the groove that's in the little shaft of this pump. Now what I like to do is just seat it right on top. Now under here, there's a little rubber spindle that spins the other side of the shaft. So I'll just use my fingers to kind of spin that until the pump drops down on the shaft. It's just lining it up basically. And then you'll see there are four little legs to it that fit right into those little divots there. And then our clips, we're just going to put those back in sideways, turn them, and they just snap right back on the pump. Nice and sturdy. Now all we have to do, tilt the machine back, and it's ready to rock and roll. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys know someone who's having appliance troubles, please send them the link to this video or a link to my channel where I have tons of other videos showing how to fix pretty common issues with appliances, sometimes for free or as little as cost as possible. It sure beats having a repairman come out and spending several $100s for them to fix it when it could be something so simple and so small that you can fix it. So follow the tips in the video. If you have any tips or any best practices, maybe something I missed, drop it in the comments because I do read the comments and I do learn a lot from them as well. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like and share this content. We'll get it out to more folks who need to save some time and some money. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.